All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got some spy cameras in here, man, from JavisCam, and we're going to take a look at them in this video. So the first one, I guess I'll start with this U1 right here. This U1 looks like to be a little thumb drive type deal. Yep. Where you can plug it in and hopefully get the footage right off after you use it. But 1080p footage on here should be more than enough. Give you a little semi-ejection tool here. Yep, it's a little thumb drive. And you get the user manual, which is pretty simple. The on and off button is stored right under there. That's the lens. And it looks like a thumb drive. So, wow, that's crazy to say. So to toggle on video, toggle the switch to on, the yellow light flashes 3 times quickly, and it directly enters video recording state. When charging, the yellow light will be on, the blue light will be flashing slowly, the blue light and yellow light switch fully charged. And then to power off and save the file, you toggle the off switch and the blue light flashes 3 times quickly and shuts down and saves the file. And then here is some information here, support from them. Let's get this here. And here is the device. If we can get it out. Come on, buddy, don't throw me on camera, don't throw me on camera, don't throw me on camera. All right, there we go. Got it out, roughly got it out. So this just looks like a regular USB thumb drive. But then here is the little switch here. There's a switch in the inside right there that says on. So I'm gonna toggle that on. And it's kind of bright in here, but we'll see how this works. And we're gonna test out the video on here. And hopefully it works very well. You would just you would store this somewhere and then it would shoot the footage and then you go back and get it later. And then you'll power it off by toggling the little switch. Just like that. This is pretty cool. This does not look like a camera. So now we're gonna go on to the next item here. And I'm gonna show you the footage for each one of these. This is the pen, and this records up to 180 minutes. That's pretty impressive. 32 gigs onboard storage with that TFT, I guess, that's inside of there. Or if you have to use one, that you probably need to use a 32 gig to get that type of storage. Now this one has different screwdrivers. This is pretty cool here. All right, and this one has a charging cable, micro USB. And here's the pen. And this one is probably one that's really going to be nice to a lot of people because it has a pen with it. So with this one, oh yeah, there's the instructions. I was gonna say, man, where's the instructions? All right. So here we go. So on the top here, actually on this portion, unscrews, and then there is the 32 gig card that's in there. Yep, 32 gig card. And then you also have the USB charging port in there as well. So that's pretty cool. This is just the different tips for the pins. Okay, I saw a screwdriver. So these are all tips for the pins. That's pretty cool. That's pretty dope, actually. So with this one, you could have someone in your office and, you know, I got to see how to start this one. And then you, on and off is on the top right here. Just like that. And then you can cover the camera lens with that portion right there. So to power it on, you press the top button for 3 seconds and it'll flash brew 3 times. If it's got any juice. I don't think it has any juice, but we'll get it charged up and I'll show you some footage from here. But I didn't, like, where's the LED light? Oh, the LED light's on the front. Okay, good, got you there. So it is this light right here. That's the lens. Okay, got it. And then check the working state, the camera recording, the blue light flashing. Okay, gotcha. So, yep, battery charge supply, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next one. I'm gonna show you the footage from this one as well. This is pretty cool, man. All right, so we got the Spy pen and the Spy USB cable. This is a modular system, it says. And this one, you can store it and just have just the pen camera portion sticking out somewhere. So this one right here requires an application because you're gonna place this one somewhere. Yeah, you're gonna place it somewhere. So I'll get the application downloaded. I'll get it all set up. And we're going to go from there. So let me show you this one. And this is one that you'll kind of hide away because look, this has an antenna looks like. And here is the camera right here. This little guy right here. We got to take off this little plastic portion here. And then here's a battery for it. Wow, this is incredible, man. They are seriously doing some spying here. If you need to spy on someone, wow. Yep, there's the battery. And this one actually has some power here on this one. And then you've got the micro USB charging port, and then you've got a SD card slot down there. And then here is the little camera that you'll use to record your footage. So, and this battery here looks to be 1800 milliamps. And so then you have a little 3M sticky thing here to mount the battery to it. And then you have a charging cable right here. So now it's time to show you the footage from all these spy cameras. Let's get into this. Wow, now believe it or not, this is the footage from the USB thumb drive, the first one that I unboxed. This is the footage from that thumb drive. And you know, when I hit the switch on it earlier in the video, it's actually recording at that point, and I think that is extremely impressive. This actually has an SD card right under the back side of it as well. But this is the footage. I'm just holding it here. But if you're going to put this somewhere, you could actually put this down and store it, and no one would ever think that this thing was recording. So this is footage from the USB thumb drive looking spy camera, which is extremely impressive. And then we'll move on to the next. Let's go. All right, now here's the pen. This is from the spy camera pen that I was checking out. The second one I unboxed. And no one would ever think that this pen was recording. You could throw this in your top pocket. And also keep in mind the audio from these devices, man. I mean, these are some pretty strong microphones on these devices for them just to be little cameras and hidden away, and a microphone hidden away in here. So there it is, man. This is coverage from the pen, and I think it's extremely impressive. All right, so the last one is the little one that you can hide away with the external battery. This is the same type of, these all kind of look the same in quality, if I'm being honest. They're not stellar, but if these are going to be for spy situations and like hidden cameras, this is a way to go, man. You can use anything to hide a camera away, but here is the quality again from the third spy camera that they have. That modular unit is kind of it's got a Wi-Fi antenna, you know, the application, everything. But to me, the quality of the footage, that is what I'm looking for, and this is what you could expect. All right, guys, so there you have it, man. Footage from all three cameras. They pretty much all look the same to me when it comes to like the quality. They look the same. I think I know these are compact, small little places to put cameras. So again, these aren't the top quality video, but I think they pretty much all look the same. But I think this one looked probably the best, and then the pen sounded the best. But that's just me with a quick run through with these. I'll test these out some more, probably like put one in my car when I go to like a dealer or something like that, or, you know, just anything. I think it's pretty cool to have these there. So, cause you know, it's kind of snooping a little bit as spy cameras. So, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was a fun video to do. I'm glad they reached out to me, and I appreciate them sponsoring the video as well. So there you are. 3 ways you can spy on whoever you want to spy on and do it in a very unique way. This is the one that's probably the most difficult, you know, not difficult in the way of using, but you have to download the application and set this one up and everything. You just have to register. That's all. But these are straight out of the box. And if I'm going to recommend any of these, it's going to be one of these right here. The pen is actually a functioning pen too. So that's pretty cool. So no one will really suspect these right here, but this one right here is a hideaway. Like put it in your house or something like that, and, you know, in the car, store it there, and have the little camera sticking out to where people won't notice. But nonetheless, I'm really impressed with these two. So it's your man Jay. I'll have links to these down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.